The Northern Territory Government has detailed in Parliament controversial legislation which will see photographs of serious child sex offenders and child murderers published online. Daniel's Law has been described as a tribute to the murdered Queensland teenager Daniel Morcombe, but the bill faces big political challenges before it becomes law.
Daniel's Law will establish an unprecedented database if the law passes.
The bill provides for the establishment of a public website to list convicted child sex offenders and child homicide offenders in the Northern Territory.
For serious offenders with convictions of life or 15 years for child sex abuse or child murder.
The website will publish general information about an offender, including their name, a photograph and a general description of relevant offences the person has been convicted of and the offender's general location. Exact addresses of offenders will not be published.
Welcomed by the parents of the murdered teen it's named after.
It's a good common sense law. Surely we want to protect our kids. Everybody does. We all say that. But here is a piece of legislation that needs to become a law so that we do actually protect our kids.
The government says concerns of vigilantism have been addressed.
The bill contains an offence which will apply where the person promotes abuse towards an offender or member of the offender's immediate family. A further offence exists where a person publishes or displays an offender's detail from the website without prior permission of the minister to do so.
In minority, the government will struggle to pass the bill. Opposition hasn't decided, and the independent speaker is reserving her decision. Meanwhile, the week of Parliament sittings began with this loud and vocal protest around unconventional gas and oil mining, better known as fracking, and the damage it could do.
Obviously, as a government, we are committed at all costs to protecting the environment. It's It's the reason that I've said we're going to hit the go slow button in relation to hydraulic fracturing.
Dan Borscher, Sky News, Darwin.